Hey everybody, welcome to Greatness Outdoors. I'm doing a bit of trout fishing here today in this lovely mountain stream. Unfortunately, I have not really caught anything, but I have spotted something that looks pretty delicious on up the shoreline here. Take a look at that. Looks to me like a Berkeley's Polypore. Let's go on and hop up the shoreline here. Check it out. Okay, I found my way on up the shore here, and as you can see, this is indeed a Berkeley's Polypore. Absolutely beautiful mushroom. The Berkeley's Polypore is pretty easy to identify. You can see it has kind of these rosettes that come out from the middle here. It is kind of just one, giant mushroom with just all these rosettes coming out from the middle. Now these it's kind of white around on the inside of it, and then closer to the edges it's more of this kind of rusted color, kind of an orangish white. I could see how you could mistake this for chicken of the woods. They do look fairly similar, but the chicken of the woods is going to have more of this orange color throughout. Versus the Berkeley's Polypore, you can see it has this whitish color in the middle, and then you get more of the orange towards the ends. But again, it's more of a rusted orange, almost a brownish color. And of course, with this being a polypore, let me show you the underside of a mushroom. Always good to check these to identify. You can see it doesn't have gills, has these little pores on the bottom side, which polypore, of course, that's how you know it's a polypore. And you actually can eat this mushroom when it's young like this. It's nice and soft. When it gets older, it's going to get much harder, and it's not really that good to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I've helped you to identify the Berkeley's Polypore. Again, this is an excellent mushroom. When it's young like this, go ahead, cut it up and eat it, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this one home. It's probably about a 3 to 4 pound specimen I found here. Very massive. So we'll be eating good for the next few days on this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We got a lot of really cool stuff going on here at Greatness Outdoors. Got a lot of trips planned, so we're going to be doing some more foraging, some fishing, some camping, some hiking. It's a great place to check out what we're doing and learn some stuff about outdoor things. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you so much. Be sure and subscribe. We'll see you next time right here on Greatness Outdoors.
Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find. And oh, with every path